Hey you guys, my name is James Diaz. Today I'm going to teach you how to play I Love You, I'm Sorry by Gracie Abrams. You're going to need a capo on the 3rd fret, and we're going to go ahead and get started with all the chords. The chords are really easy for this song. For the most part, it's pretty much the same 4 chords. There's a little bit of a change in the bridge, but that's it. So, the chords for most of the song is going to be a G to a D. Now you're going to play an A minor 7. It's the same as an A minor, but all you do is you lift off your ring finger. Same finger placement though, for the other 2 fingers. That's an A minor 7. Then you're going to play a C. Those are the chords for most of the song. G, D, A minor 7, C. Then the one difference in the bridge, you're going to play the 4 chords one time through, a G, a D, A minor 7, a C. Then you're going to play an E minor, a D, an A minor 7, and a C. So that's the only difference. The first time through for the bridge, you play a G, a D, A minor, C. Then you change the G to an E minor, and then the rest of the chords are the same. E minor, D, A minor 7, C. Then you go back to the regular G, D, A minor 7, C. So those are all the chords you need to know for this song. What I'm going to do for you, I'm going to play each part of the song just so you can see where the chords go. And then I will tell you a strumming pattern you could use at the end of the video. 2 August ago, I told the truth, oh, but you didn't like it. You went home. You're in your Benz, I'm by the gate. Now you go alone, charm all the people you train for. You mean well, but ain't low. And I'll make it known, like I'm getting paid. Then you go into the chorus. The chorus. That's just the way life goes. I like to slam doors closed. Trust me, I know it's always about me. I love you, I'm sorry. Now we're gonna go to the bridge, just so you can see where those chords go. You were the best, but you were the worst. As sick as it sounds, I love you first. I was the loser, it is what it is. The habits it kick, the age-old curse. I tend to laugh whenever I'm sad. Stare at the crash, it actually works. Making amends, this stuff never ends. I'm wrong again, I'm wrong again. The way life goes. So that's where all the chords are placed in the song. Now we'll go over a strumming pattern you could use. It's down, up, 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 down. So those are all the chords. That is the strumming pattern that you can use for this song. If you guys want to check out my guitar, the link is in the description below. This is a Taylor GS Mini. It's made out of koa wood, which is pretty cool. I got elixir strings on the guitar, and it sounds really great. Check this out. That is the main reason that I bought this guitar. I walked into Guitar Center and I saw it and I was just like, man, it's beautiful. Picked it up, started playing it. I was like, man, it sounds beautiful. So I bought it. One of the cool things about a GS Mini is obviously that it is smaller. So check this out. Ow. This is a regular guitar. This is a Taylor GS Mini. It's a lot smaller. Look at that. Look at it. Size difference. You see that? Do you see that? Have you ever seen that before? This guitar is so nice. It's easier to play if you have smaller hands or chubby fingers or something like that because it is smaller. But it sounds amazing because Taylor is incredible. That's the reason why they're one of the best guitar creating companies on planet Earth. It's also electronic. I don't know if you care about that. You can plug it into an amp. I don't know if that means anything to you or not. Fun size, travel size. The Sabrina Carpenter of guitars. I got a bunch of other stuff down there. I got chords, interfaces, guitar picks, strings, my favorite guitar picks, microphones if you're into the singing and you want to make a cover or something, capos, all of that junk is in the description below if you want to check it out. It's there. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that this helped you, and I will see you in another one.